This very short tutorial will be how to enter PowerSchool in order to see your child's gradebook. Once you're at ASB's website, click on My ASB and log into My ASB portal. As normal, if you forgot your password, the option is there to recover it. Under your child's name, you'll see a link for PowerSchool. Open up this, and this is how you access this as a parent. So you'll go ahead and put in your username and your password as well. Across the top, you'll see all of your students. Click on the student you'd like to see their gradebook of. As soon as I click on the child, I can see the courses that they are enrolled in. This is an example course, so it is not real. But I'm going to show you how to access that gradebook. So here, if I want to see IB history, I can click on the little I, and that's going to open the gradebook view for parents and for children. So here I see the name of the assignment, and then I can click this down in order to see all the standards that are attached to an assignment and their score. One more time, I see this assignment name. Here's a quick check assignment. I can click on the little standards progress, show standards. It will show the standards attached and the grade they received. Please note on the bottom there's a legend to help families understand any special marks that may appear by a grade. In addition to seeing a little insight into what the gradebook looks like for your child, you can also click on the Standards Grades tab. This tab is a live view of where your child is trending so far for each course. So if I open up my IB history, I can see the learning behaviors, where my child is trending so far at this point in time, as well as the academic standards and where my child is trending towards each of those at this point in time. This is not a final semester grade, and throughout the semester, throughout the quarters, these will fluctuate based on assignments that are entered. At the end of the semester, the teacher will enter the final grade that is then reported on the report card. So again, grades and attendance, clicking on our little I will take you into the gradebook, and standards grade tabs will give you an overall trended grade so far at this point in time.